In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Meta Ads lead forms with Google Sheets. This integration is incredibly useful for streamlining your lead management process and ensuring that your data is organized and easily accessible. Let's get started by navigating to the Meta Business Suite. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Instant Forms option. This is where all your lead forms are stored, and it's the crucial starting point for getting everything connected. After you've entered Instant Forms, look over to the section labeled CRM Setup. This area is dedicated to customer relationship management integrations, and it's here that we will set up our connection with Google Sheets. As you explore the CRM setup, you'll notice several options for different integrations. For this process, you'll want to select Google Sheets. Choosing Google Sheets as the integration option tells Meta that you want to link your lead forms directly to a spreadsheet. This process is fantastic for those who wish to automate data transfer without having to copy and paste manually, saving you loads of time and minimizing errors. After selecting Google Sheets, you'll be prompted with on-screen instructions. At this point, it's crucial to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it allows Meta to access your Google Sheets and facilitate the automatic updating of data. Ensure that you're signing in with the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one, to avoid any access issues later on. The next step involves linking a specific lead form to a specific Google Sheet. This means you will need to choose which of your lead forms you want the data to come from and specify exactly which Google Sheet you would like to send the data to. It's essential that you choose your lead forms and spreadsheets carefully because this is how Meta knows where to send the new lead data. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct forms and sheets. Once you've set this up, the connection is complete and the integration is in place. From now on, any new leads that come through the specified Meta Ads lead form will automatically populate into your designated Google Sheet. This automation can significantly enhance your workflow by keeping your data organized and ensuring that you have immediate access to your most recent information, which is crucial for quickly responding to leads. Congratulations on setting up your Meta Ads lead forms integration with Google Sheets. This connection not only simplifies data management but also helps maintain up-to-date records without the need for manual data entry. Now you can focus more on engaging with your leads and less on data logistics. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.